Hey everyone, Not Too Dead here. So, there's been a recent knife that's kind of taken everything by storm and YouTube and whatnot, and we're here to discuss it. You know, is there a new dog in town or what? Move over, ladies and gentlemen. Here it is. The Ozark Trail. 7.5-inch folding knife. D2 blade steel. Injection mold handles. It's got a crossbar style lock-in mechanism. Supposed to believe have ball bearings in there. They're pretty hard to find. They're pretty much sold out everywhere. So let's check this out. Let's see. Open it up together. Of course, we probably need a knife to open it. Maybe not. Nope. There we go. So there it is. Let's see what all the fuss is about. First time opening it, unboxing it. Well, first of all, let's check the blade. Let's see if there's a little bit of wiggle there. Not too bad though. Nice and firmly locked. Alright, let's see. Oh yeah, not too bad. Very smooth. Try to get a nice close-up for you guys. Bump the camera a little bit there. Nice clip there, so you can, carry it deep down in your pocket. I mean, it is still pretty bright orange. As you saw, this is right out of the package. Nothing done to it. Nothing tweaked with it. Alright, well, let's do a couple things. Let's test some stuff. Start with a simple old paper test. Oh, yeah. Bad angle there. The wind's kind of blowing around there. Alright, well, let's say it passes that. Set that down there for a second. Gather these up. I'm just going to do some basic tests and stuff to begin with, some simple everyday tasks that a regular old knife should be able to handle. This is some paracord, some 550. Slices right through that. And we'll go back and, kind of slice it with the paper every now and again, or slice the paper and see. I'm going to do a longer, more in-depth one, but didn't want to bore you guys too much today. Going to carry it for a while, kind of, use it, see what it does. Basic camping tasks, woodsman stuff. Use some different parts of the blade there. Not too bad. Let's see if we can't chop with it a little bit. Pretty good. Get a thinner one we can probably chop. Yeah. I mean, this blade isn't really, this style knife isn't really made for that, but not too shabby. Let's give it a little, twist. There we go. Dig right in there. Back the other way. Just tip out a little bit. Try to get that to focus. Still nice and straight. Still works fine. Alright. Let's cut some tougher rope here. Some of this nylon, kind of like marine rope. Not too bad. See if it just will chop it. Move some of this stuff out of the way here. Oh yeah, pretty much with ease. It's more towards the knot too, so a little harder wood there. Nice little pile of some stuff there now. Throw that off to the side of the trash. Alright, so what's next? Let's get some of this cardboard tube out. That's pretty nice. Not too bad, not too bad. A little bit bigger one. It's almost like too big for the blade width. There we go. Cutting that pretty good. Try some regular old corrugated cardboard. Keep bumping the camera. Sorry about that. I think that was the blade dull at all there. I think that's just the way I was catching it. Might be starting to do a little bit. Alright. Oh yeah, let's go back and try the paper real quick. What's that say? Oh yeah, if you like this and you haven't yet, go like and subscribe, everyone. Stay tuned for more. And also, there's other content on my channel. Do lock picking, stuff like that, box sport related stuff. Oh, here we go. We might have told it already though. It's not wanting to do the paper. Yeah, so we already lost a little bit of an edge there. Does not want to do the paper. Try another fresh sheet. Yeah, so something's lost a little edge in there. Or that paper's just being... It might have got a little wet out of here, a little damp from the humidity. But even then, it doesn't seem like it wants to. Well, let's go on and try a few more things. Cut some thicker rope with it. Not too bad. Flip that around. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty good. It's a $10 knife, guys, not even. $9.97. Yeah. Still nice and straight. Missed a little bit there. Get a little wiggle out. Still good and straight. We'll do one quick little chop test here. For this, we're gonna I've had the safety glasses on the whole time, but we're gonna safety up a little more. Let's see how this does with a little baton in action. Try to split this. Hey, pretty good, pretty good. Not too bad there. Nothing wrong with it yet. I'll do it once more here. There we go. Still good, still working all right. I might be opening a little slower there now. Not too bad. Let's try it on the cardboard again. Yeah, it's definitely losing, oh, maybe. I'd say it's probably losing a little bit of its factory edge there after all that, but there it is. That's what the fuss and the hype is so far. I'm going to put it through a few more tests. Some more rigorous testing, some everyday carry. See how it does. I have one more too, so I'm going to kind of put them all through the same paces side by side, see the difference. The other one's going to go through the same treatment this just went right now. So, see what happens. Stay tuned. Like I said, if you like it, like and subscribe. share with your friends, your enemies, anybody else, anyone you want, and have a good one all. Take care.